Hey dolls, it's your girl J Bella back with another video. So today this video is going to be basically a full face breakdown. So I've been getting asked a lot about what I do, how I do my makeup, how do I do my brows, the concealer, how to make sure the concealer don't crease in, and everything else. So I'm going to be doing probably a full video. Either a full video or I'm going to do multiple videos on each thing and break it down. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a couple of videos and break it down for certain things and show you how I normally do it. I don't get like creases, cakey face, and everything else. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I do, I make sure that my face is moisturized, it's clean and moisturized. Sometimes people don't have time to go and wash their face. Just get some baby wipes like I did. See, boom. I got the one for sensitive skin, so it won't, break my skin and deteriorate it. Because a lot of face wipes, it does when you like wipe your face down, you leave like rough or it's irritated your skin. So that's good. Just get something for that sensitive so it won't hurt your skin. Then I would normally put like moisturizer on. So I will put like anything that has cocoa butter, shea butter, olive oil, anything. Then I will moisturize my lips. I use the Carmax medicated lip balm. So, I mean, you can use whatever you prefer, but that's what I use. So that's how I prep my skin before I put on any makeup. Then, after I put on all of that stuff, or do that stuff, I use face primer. Not a lot of people use face primer. They don't believe in it. For me, I believe it, it's like a middleman with your face and the makeup. Like, it protects your skin. Sometimes people don't see it. They don't feel like it's doing anything for their skin. It also could, depending on the face primer, it can mattify your foundation before, anything else. So sometimes I use the e.l.f. Face primer. This one is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face. I have another one of e.l.f. This one is a Aqua Mist. It's like more watery. But you can use different ones. NYX, Sephora. You can use Tarte. You can use Smashbox. You can use. It all depends on your skin, though. You have to make sure that if you know your skin, every skin is different. Let's start off with that. Every skin is different. So you can have oily skin, you can have dry skin, you have combo skin. I personally have combination skin, so I can use both. Yeah, I can use both for like dry or combination or oily. Sometimes it would say good for combination skin, oil control. Make sure you read the My bad, I had to sneeze. And I feel like it's coming on again. Ooh, child. Like, I'm gonna leave, bitch. So, yeah. Make sure you read the bottles. We're gonna do brows. I've been asking how I do my brows, how I conceal it, everything else. Some people say I can't do certain things with brows. I tried using pencils, they don't work. I tried using gel, they don't work. It's all about a steady hand. So one side of my face I'm going to be using a pencil, and then the other side I'm going to be using gel. So make sure you have like a spoolie to brush up your eyebrow hairs. So, boom, 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 to help it get it into formation. And so, one side, I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetic brow Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I love this pencil. This pencil is everything. I can use this by itself and go about my day. Like, no problems. Just boop, 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 and I'm gone. I don't have to do anything. As long as my brows are done, I'm out the door. And then, what I use for gel, I use the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. This is what it is. This is the color Espresso. I'm going to start off using the pencil. So I got my I have my brow pencil. So what you're going to do is start on the top part of your eyebrows. You're not going to start all the way right here. No. My skin is breaking out. But you're gonna start on the top part, like so, and you start from like the almost to the middle, like right here. You're gonna follow, but don't press so hard, because then all you're going to see is nothing but darkness, and then you won't have time to build up on it. So basically, you want to go with a light hand and build up on it. So you're going to go with the first round. Boom. Then you go to your arch. And bring it down. Then you're going to go to your bottom. Same way. Don't start all the way to the top. I mean, to the top. Don't start all the way in the beginning. Go right here. Almost midway. Like I said, go with a light hand so you can build up over it. Basically all you're doing is following your brow. Following the line of your brows. Then you can fill it in a bit. Like I said, light hand. Then what you do is when you go, so you leave the top part alone, right? Then you go still on the bottom, and you go with an even lighter hand if you possibly can. Go with a lighter hand from the beginning. And then so boom. Now some people, they like to draw extra hairs or deepen the hairs right here. Don't, like I said, light hand. You can draw like 1 or 2, maybe 3 if you possibly can. Now I'm gonna go in with my spoolie, and all I'm doing is just brushing it out to give it that natural look. But make sure you don't really brush it. Like, go with a light hand and brush it out. And then boom. That's how you do it with the pencil. This brow pencil by It Cosmetics, you can get it for like, the travel size is $12. The regular size like this is $24. I managed to get this for free in like a, you know, makeup goodie bag. And so, yeah. Mind you, this is not paid for. It's not a paid advertisement, just letting you know, because hunty, they need to pay me. It Cosmetics, y'all need to help me out, okay? because I be using your stuff non-stop, okay? For the past few years, I've gone through about quite a few of y'all brow pencils. And I got y'all brushes. Help a girl out. Damn. Like I said, I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Gel in the shade Espresso. So what you're going to do is make sure your brow hairs are in checked, in formation. Yeah, I already have this. I have my brow gel. No, it's called eyebrow mascara brush. It has like a little angle towards it, like a eyeliner brush, like an angle brush. And what I'm going to do is take a little bit, dab it in. Make sure I don't have too much on my brush. If I do, go to the sides, take a little bit off, boom, boom, boom. Now, same thing like I did with the brow pencil. You're not gonna start all the way from the beginners. Go at your top. Go with a light hand. Follow your brow line. If you need to, you can go back in with inside the brow gel. Now we're going on the bottom. Going in with a light hand. Following the brow line. Then now you're gonna go stay at the bottom and bring out the bottom lash like this. Bottom lash, wow, bottom hair. Like I said, super light hand on the end. Now you're gonna go in with your spoolie, brush your hairs lightly. So now, if you have time, see, normally you could be good to go with this and be about your day. Or if you want to, fix it up a bit and put like concealer and make sure it's all looking extra great and perfect. I got you. So I'm gonna be going in with my BH Cosmetics Contour and Conceal palette. It just says foundation and concealer. I have this one. I have the number 2 one. It has 10 colors. Like I said, follow your eyebrow, but you're not touching your actual eyebrows. You're going underneath. Ooh, let me go a little closer for you, honey. Now you want to bring out the concealer and try to blend it in with the rest of your face. Take a wet beauty blender. I have some water right here. So basically, people always ask why I use a beauty blender, why would it, what does it do? It actually, than using a regular dry beauty blender, when it's wet, it actually helps smooth out your concealer, foundation, whatever you want to use your beauty blender for. Yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. See, only people who have like OCD and like making things perfect will understand why I keep fixing my eyebrows every 2 seconds. It's just, I don't know, I just have to. That's the end of my tutorial for just the brow and concealing your brow. And then in the next video, I'm going to basically show you how to basically highlight and contour your face. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Later.